Ooh, what is going on, everybody? This is Trader Josh, and I am here today I'm going to go over three stocks really quickly, read the charts that are looking very nice to me, and then I'm going to show you guys the Discord, and I'm going to go through everything in the Discord. So you guys that are in it right now, you will know, okay? But before I start this video, I want to let you guys know that God loves you all. Don't you ever forget it, okay? And as you see, I got on my white tee today, because today's a good day already, okay? You got to tell yourself that every day. Let's get right into it. Lucid is the first stock we're going to be talking about. LCID ticker symbol. And I'm going to show you guys. I have 35 shares of Lucid, like I told you guys I would. I bought, it was $14. I was thinking that's pretty high. Instead of putting $1,000 in, I'm going to put 500 in and watch it a couple days, which it's at 11:31 right now. But as you see, I have 35 shares. Like I said, I'm down currently $97, 96.57. Okay. And like I said, guys, I do not make things up on this channel. Okay. If I tell you guys I'm going to do something, either I've already done it or I'm looking to do it. Okay. We do not mess around. All right. That's why they call me Big Money Gooch. Okay. But I just wanted to let you guys know with Lucid, we're finding major resistance. Right now, we're finding major support with Lucid. Okay, so $11 is going to be a major support level for Lucid. Okay, every time we have came down to tap it, we have always bounced up. Okay, it's very possible if we do move sideways, we could find ourselves by about 11:10. But earlier we were at 11:20, and I did a video, but I got interrupted, so I just discarded the whole video. Okay, here we are today. But if we do bounce high enough, we will find resistance at 12:30. Okay, you see in the past 2, 3, 4 times. In the past 4 times, we have tapped it. Didn't even get the candle up to it. We have tapped resistance at $12.30. But if we do break above that $12.30 range, there's no telling how high we can go. I was looking into, I did my video yesterday and I said a week from now, we could, if we tap this upward linear regression channel, look how steep it is. Next Tuesday, it would be at $16 exactly. And as you see here, we did go a little above that in within this last week, but that's another major level that we want to break. Okay, Lucid has some good things in mind. Let me see. Stocks to sell in February. Let me just read that real quick because I've been seeing it. Okay, the EV industry is back on the upswing. In fact, after a dismal 2022, EV stocks saw far stronger returns in January. Industry leader Tesla, for example, has seen its stock price run up more than 50% over the past month. Tesla's headline, "Grabbing Rebound," breathed new life into many of smaller EV stocks as well. However, there are still several EV stocks to sell immediately. Many of the EV firms that plunged in value in 2022 did so with good reason across the industry. Firms have struggled to generate meaningful revenues, maintain strong balance sheets, or otherwise position their business for long-term success. As such, with some top EV stocks surging, it's time to consider some of the top EV stocks to sell. 2. These 7 EV stocks in particular seem primed for significant declines after the recent rally. Okay, so Molin, 100%, I agree. Let's see that reverse split on that one. Okay, another better little try. I'll get into that, okay? That's a Discord. We'll do a video on that in a minute. Okay, Lucid, honestly, I don't agree with it. Okay, Arrival is pretty good. Okay, Arrival out. I'm going to mark that down too. I'm going to do an update on Arrival, okay? Because you guys did like that video. Had about 34 comments. Okay, but those are Lucid, Molin, and Arrival are the only 3 I really know much about. I know electromechanica vehicles, but I had never been invested in SOLO, okay? So we're going to close out of Lucid. Let's look at FRGT, guys. I told you guys that we would be seeing a pull up to the resistance level at 43 cents, okay? And when did I do? You had to go back to look. I think we were just about right here tapping each other or somewhere. Look, Tuesday, we were right here, okay? So we did pull up. We found support at this major level. That's why I have these two right here. We found support on FRGT, Freight Technologies, and we seem to be pulling upwards. We've hit a couple. We've hit a little bit of resistance right here, as I've told you guys. There's a few times now. Look, we're gonna test resistance, but if we can catch support on this 43-cent range, it's highly likely we'll be pushing up towards 55 cents. Okay, but we're gonna find UC major resistance up there. Okay, but like I told you guys before, keep in mind every time we have a push up, again, again, again. So right here, I'm gonna suppose we might pull down to around 40 cents. I'll say. Let's just say that's 40 cents. Okay, it's not real straight. Okay, but I'm gonna move it up to right here. We could pull down to around this range before popping back above it. It's very possible. Look at that candle headed that way. It just formed. Okay, it's very possible. Like I said, on any one of these stocks, if you want an individual video, me digging deeper into it, leave a comment below. Check out the pinned comment. I'm going to go into FOXO. Don't want to waste too many of your guys' time. Okay, FOXO, another one. I told you guys we would be testing support at $1.05. If we could, I said if we could close at $1.05, we should be pushing upwards tomorrow. Which you see that we did close yesterday at about $1.05. Now we're pushing up slowly but surely. We're sitting at $1.10 right now at the moment, or it looks like $1.13. It's asking 15 cents. All right, which would be around right here. Bam. If we can hit that 15 cents, that would be great. All right, today's Wednesday. I told you guys, if we can touch the top of the linear regression channel. Oh, matter of fact, guys, I told you, I just realized these don't mean nothing no more, okay? I told you guys, if we could test the top of the linear regression channel, Wednesday we would be seeing 175, which is today, okay? But like I told you guys, if we push up at all today, the linear regression channel would turn into a much steeper channel, okay? So now that Wednesday mark that I had is going to be Monday, and that Thursday mark is going to be Wednesday next week, okay? And I'll change all that after this video. If you watched that last video, you know what I'm talking about. I warned you guys about this. Not warned like it's a bad thing. I informed you guys on this, okay? Let you guys know. As we tested the top here and here, I'm pretty sure we almost tested it here, so it had to push it much higher, okay? And as you guys see, on all three of these stocks, bam, 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 our EMA 13 level is trying to find its way above the EMA 34. And as you guys know, all three of these could be pushing very high upwards if that happens, okay? Which right now it's already occurring. We're at $1.1350 on FOXO. And for those of you that are in profits right now, congratulations to you. I don't want to keep this video too long. I'm going to do a video on my Discord and show you guys everything. I'm going to explain deeper into it, and check the comment below. That it will be a pinned comment with the Discord to it. It'll be a link to my Discord in the pinned comment. That's what I meant to say, okay? But without no further ado, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. All right? Okay.